Bitcoin has been defeated. Something bigger than Bitcoin has arrived in the crypto scene. This is unprecedented. Hello everybody, this is Tom from Training Solutions, and I'm here to announce the arrival of TPT, the taller paper token. Can you believe it? Bitcoin has been defeated. Something bigger than Bitcoin has arrived on the crypto scene. After more than a decade of Bitcoin dominance, TPT has arrived on the scene with a market capitalization of a whopping, you wait for it, $85,583,000,000. I mean, can you beat that? I mean, this is crazy, guys. After more than a decade, Bitcoin is finally overthrown. It's been defeated. So in this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know about TPT, the taller paper token, which is the crypto that has defeated Bitcoin. And I'm going to leave all the interesting links in the description. Could this be a hoax? Are April Fool sort of to take our minds away from COVID-19 for a bit? Um, we've just maybe we've just been so much fixated on the COVID-19 of a thing, and then coin market cap just came away. Hey, we should do something different, and that's why you see famous blockchain developers, Mary Ploppins, Peter Piop, John Splashington. They came together to develop the TPT, which is the toilet paper token. And there's something about it that just makes you're thinking, and at the same time you're kind of wondering, could this be a hoax? Is it real? I mean, is this the next big thing after sliced bread? Is this something I should jump on? But and wait for it. The supply, it's out of stock, people. It's out of stock. All right. And let's look at the white paper. Look in the description. You're going to see the link to the white paper. I'm going to open up the white paper right now for you to see. All right. So if you look at the white paper, introduction to toilet paper, all right, it says it first starts with an evolution, an history of the evolution of the modern day toilet paper, all right, telling you about how in the early days of civilization, people use things like rocks, corn cobs, right, sponges, how the toilet paper as we know it today was first invented in China, right? And hey, that's where the COVID-19 came from. Yeah, that's right. So now they brought us something that also oh, man, this is kind of crazy. All right, so commercial toilet paper, they made us understand, came into the scene in 1857. All right, and it was marketed as a medical product that prevented hemorrhoids, priced at a modern equivalent of $12 for 500 shit. Right, so they give us a whole lot of that evolutionary history. All right, and then they move on to what the COVID-19 pandemic has caused to happen to toilet paper. All right, so they said the COVID-19 pandemic have made toilet paper a commodity of extremely high demand, so high in fact that it's it was out of stock in stores worldwide and caused societal unrest among customers. In November 2019, toilet paper consumption was at about 10 billion rolls per month worldwide, with an average of 2 rolls purchased per month for personal use. Right? So due to corona, rates have increased by 1 roll per person on average monthly. With quarantine and stay-at-home notices by the government, that subsequently have forced citizens to purchase more toilet paper for home use. By late February 2020, roll usage skyrocketed to 15 billion rolls globally, right? And they're kind of giving you a use case, all right? I mean, why do we need a TPT of anything? Why should we be thinking of a toilet paper token? So they're trying to give you the background. Why do we need to tokenize this, right? They explain 3 utilities that makes the toilet paper token to become a necessity. Basically, they're trying to say, hey, we don't want people to to fight over toilet paper. All right, we want to tokenize it. We want to make the distribution easy. All right, we want to democratize access. We don't want people to hoard it. All right, we don't want people to have price hikes. I mean, it's so funny. All right, and they gave Maxwell's hierarchy of needs. All right, and they said, hey, we don't want you to descend or come so low to the first two levels in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. All right, so we want this very basic thing to be taken care of, should be out of the way. Now the token issue, one TPT is going for $1.64. All right, $1.64. All right, and market crap. Now mind you, they introduce a whole lot of very funny terminologies. So instead of market cap, they are telling you of market crap. All right, so they said here, like I said, you can check link in the description and you'll see the the link to the white paper. So market cap instead of market cap of $85,583,000,000. Right, you have a total supply of 8 billion. All right, now the scattering supply, all right, is dynamically issued in response to changing levels of demand. All right, and right now they're telling you, hey, it's out of stock, baby. It's out of stock. All right, so how do you buy? How do you buy? But before we go to that, I really find fascinating these terms they're using. So we all know of things like proof of stake, which Bitcoin uses. No, proof of work. All right, which is what Bitcoin uses. And that's why it's so expensive. There's a case against it saying it consumes so much of electricity. All right, you have proof of stake. All right, now for TPT, they're introducing a new consensus algorithm. All right, they're introducing what they call proof of wipe. I mean, you know what that brings to my mind? It brings to my mind a situation where you have a kid and you're trying to make sure that they wipe properly. All right, so maybe this is like a cop standing over you saying, hey, did you wipe that butt clean? Wow, this is funny, man. All right, so instead of know your customer, the normal KYC procedure, know your customer, you have know your colon. These guys must be on something. I mean, something strong. They must be on something strong. All right, so how do you buy the toilet paper token? So if you feel this is not a hoax and this is the next big thing just after sliced bread and you want to take your own slice of the pie, how do you buy TPT? All right, today is 1st of April when I'm making this video, and for you to buy the toilet paper token, which is today that it's going on sale on shitake exchange. That's crazy. I mean, I don't know what these people are smoking. Shitake exchange. Okay? And then they're saying that all wipers must take the ply count quiz, which mathematically determines the correct number of TPT, that's toilet paper token, that wipers. Alright, so the people that hodl the TPT, the toilet paper token, they are known as wipers. Right? So the ply count quiz mathematically determines the correct number of toilet paper token that wipers, that's the hodlers, can purchase on a monthly basis. Alright, now once tokens are sent to the company, they are bound to prevent companies from holding large amounts of toilet paper token and gaining a monopoly on the toilet paper token supply. Alright, now this is crazy people. This is crazy people. Alright. And they're claiming that they have several partner stores that are going to exchange your TPT, that's your toilet paper token, for real toilet paper rolls. Right? So is this the next big thing after sliced bread? Has Bitcoin actually been defeated? Or is this just a hoax? Ladies and gentlemen, that remains to be seen. But for now, take a little bit of time off coronavirus, COVID-19. And then just take a look at the TPT, from the description, from everything about it. I mean, I promise you, you're gonna laugh and you're gonna think and you have something to ease the anxiety of the quarantine, of the isolation. And hey, do remember to stay safe. We care about you, people. Stay safe. Wash your hands on the running water using a soap, all right, for minimum of 20 seconds, all right. Use your hand sanitizers. Social distancing is key, all right. And then personal hygiene is a must. Stay safe, people. Stay positive. Just like every other challenge that the world has faced, this too is gonna pass. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you there is the Almighty, and these two gonna pass. So until I come your way again next time, it's been Tom from Bamatronic Solutions saying, stay safe. Bye.